It's time for another DIY and I'm off to Monkey Autocrafts. I'll see you guys there. Wow, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Weekend on Wheels. And today we are back at Monkey Autocrafts. And this is a continuation of the DIY which we were planning and which we've done only one as of now. The flavor today would be more of a guys who are planning to go to Leh. It's the season when everybody plans and all the roads head towards Leh. And let's try to help people who are going for the first time and they would want to know certain hacks or certain tips and also DIYs which will help them use these things during their ride and make their ride much more comfortable. And let's get on. I'll see you guys right after this intro video. So today we are going to talk about backup clutch. So especially when you do long rides, this is a very common thing which you face. The clutch tend to cut, and I'll just show you how quickly you can have your second clutch put up, and then how this can be useful during your long rides, especially for people who are going to do this season, the Leh ride. So these are the items that you will require for this DIY. So you need some tags to tie all your cable, because what will happen is when you're going to do the DIY, this particular space will not allow you. So I'll just try to give you a close look. This space will not allow you to have a second clutch cable. So you'll have to just bring it from the outside. So you would need this tag, and then you would need an original Royal Enfield clutch cable. No problem. So let's start this DIY right away. Do the beginning. How do we go about? So we have the clutch cable and then the tag. So we start from this place. So ensure you have a tag put up here. This is gonna be a little tricky when you start it. And make sure you have pulled it enough. It should be tight, otherwise this will be a little annoying for you if you don't have it pulled up really tight. So that's where it's gonna help you. Now let's continue this. So you would need on an average 3 to 4 tags of this kind, and I'll give you a link where you can buy one of these. So let's go down here, pull one of this cables, just tag it along there, ensure you've secured it. All the remaining extra parts, just shove it in so that they don't come in between. Take another tag. So there's a small space. If you try to get this in between that and secure this comfortably. And the last one you would need is here. So just tag this along and ensure this is secured well. Now that was quick. So this is a very easy and it's gonna help you go long way. You might think it was so easy, done and dusted and nothing to worry about. This but really helps you guys, and especially for anybody who's planning to do long ride. Leh is just one of the examples because that's the season now. But then if you plan to do your solo ride, you're gonna go about 400 kilometers or 4,000 kilometers, does not matter. This will help you anytime. So now I've shown it for Royal Enfield. You could probably do it for every single bike that you own. And if you have any query for your kind of bike, please send in a link below, comment what bike you have and you are not able to do this. I will try to do a video on that and tell you how you can go about it. And it's very important, you need to always guide it right along with the OE clutch cable, so you know exactly where it flows and what you need to change and why you have put it. So it's very important. Just I want to show you something close. I've done this in the beginning of the video, but I'm just showing you. This is the travel cable of the OE, and you just have to have the similar flow and just keep it right next to the OE cable. So now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please drop the comments below. I would want to listen from your end. And there are certain videos which will show you in this corner which I've done from my last year's Leh ride. You want to know anything about how the road conditions are going to be and what are the difficulties you might face, how to get yourself prepared. So you have two videos right on this corner which you can see after this video. If you haven't subscribed for my channel yet, please push that subscription button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.